Hello students, welcome back to the video lecture series of indirect taxation. Today we are going to solve problems on custom duty, that is import of goods. Okay, you can note down the problem in the screen. Bolaram imported certain goods in November 2019 and an into-bond bill of entry was presented on 28th November 2019. Assessable value was $1 lakh. Order permitted the deposit of goods in the warehouse for 3 months. Was issued on 2nd December 2019. Bolaram neither obtained extension of warehousing period nor cleared the goods within the permitted warehousing period of 1st March 2020. See, actually for 3 months it was issued the deposit of goods in the warehouse, but even after the 31st March of 2020 he neither bothered about the extension of warehousing. So, only after a notice was issued under section 72 of the Custom Act of 1962 demanding duty and other charges, Bolaram removed the goods on 15th April 2020. By paying the some demanding duty and other charges, he has removed the goods from the warehouse on 15th April 2020. So, what they asked you to find out? Compute the amount of duty payable by Bolaram while removing the goods from the warehouse. Assuming that no additional duty or special additional duty is payable, you have to assume that no additional duty or special duty is payable by the Bolaram. He has paid the duty which is demanded by the warehouse agency. So, you are supplied with the following information: rate of exchange per US dollar according to the November, March and the April given, rate of basic custom duty 15%, 10% and 5% respectively as on the dates. So, IGST at 12%. So, what you need to do is, you need to find out the duty payable by Bolaram. So, amount of duty payable by Bolaram. So, particulars, amount, so assessable value of the goods is $1 lakh, that is called as assessable. According to the problem, assessable value of goods in dollars. So, $1 lakh. Rate of exchange see, as per the section 14, rate of exchange in force and date of presentation of bill of entry for the warehousing shall apply. So, hence rate of in force on 28th November 2019 would be applied. So, that is rupees 56 per US dollar. See, rate of presentation of bill of entry, that date we need to apply for the rate of exchange. Then assessable value in rupees. In rupees means 56 into 1 lakh, 56 lakh. So, after finding the assessable value, rate of duty, see, rate of duty in this case, as per section 15 Custom Act, the rate of duty shall be treated as applicable on the date of filling bill of entry for the clearance of goods from the warehouse. So, in the present case, rate of duty is applicable on 1st March 2020. You need to apply. So, 1st March 2020 rate of duty is 10%. So basic custom duty we call it as basic custom duty, we call it as BCD applicable at 10% on assessable value, that is 10% into 56 lakhs gives you 5,60,000. 5,60,000. So social welfare surcharge is there, that is 10%. If they have not given also, you need to apply the social welfare surcharge. So social welfare charge, we call it as social welfare charge, that is at 10% on basic custom duty, that is 5,60,000 into 10% gives you 56. This is also rupees, this is also 56. 5,60,000 into 10% gives you 56,000. See, once again I will explain. Assessable value in dollar 1 lakh, rate of exchange is 56 rupees. We need to pay the rate of exchange. We need to consider as per the force in force of date of presentation of the bill of entry for the warehousing. So 28th November rate we need to take, that is 56 rupees. Assessable value becomes 56 lakh. We need to multiply, that is dollar into 56 rupees, that is dollar 1 lakh into 56 rupees. Then rate of duty is nothing but, in the present case rate of duty is applicable is 1st March 2020, because it is stated that date of filling the bill of entry in the clearance of the warehouse, clearance of the goods from the warehouse. So for that reason we need to take 10% as the rate of duty. Then basic custom duty becomes 10% on the assessable value, that is 56 lakhs multiplied by 10% gives you 5,60,000. Next, social welfare charge, they are not given, but we need to take at 10% in all the cases. If they have not given also, you need to take 10%. So on 5,60,000, that is BCD value, that is basic custom duty value, 10% of social welfare charge gives you 50. So after finding the social welfare charge, we need to find the value for the purpose of levying integrated tax. So 56 lakhs plus 5,60,000 plus 56,000, which we have finded out. All these we need to add. 56 lakh plus 5,60,000 plus 56,000 will get the answer as rupees 62,16,000. On this amount, IGST at 12% we need to apply. That is 12% on 62,16,000. So answer is 7,45,920. 7,45,920. So total duty and tax payable total duty and tax payable is 5,60,000 plus 56,000 plus 7,45,920. The answer is C. Total duty and tax payable by Bolaram 5,60,000 plus 56,000 plus 7,45,920. 5,60,000 is nothing but assessable, that is BCD at 10%. 56,000 is nothing but social welfare charge, and IGST is 12%, that is 7,45,920, gives you total 13,61,920 is the total duty payable by Bolaram. That's all. Thank you.